Selam. Do you know the one secret that can completely change your life? Stay with me for just 1 minute, and I'll tell you something powerful. Most people overlook this, but it's the foundation of success. The secret is your mindset. Yes, what you think and believe shapes your reality. If you keep thinking negatively, you'll attract negativity. But if you think positively and believe in yourself, amazing things start to happen. Start today. Wake up every morning and say, I can do this. Trust me. This small change will create big results. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this, and let's spread positivity together. Thank you, and this is my real TikTok account. Follow this channel and like and share.